Eureka Support Portal is a simple online solution to create and manage all support queries you have with us. To log into the system, go to portal.eurekasolutions.co.uk and then log in with your email and password. Landing on the dashboard, you will be able to edit other users' access levels, see all the latest support cases in your system, create a new support case, edit your own profile. If your access level is set to user, you will not have access to the Manage Users area and you will only have access to your own support cases. Starting a new case is a simple task. Firstly, click the Create a New Case button. Set who you want to have as the contact for the case. You can create a case on behalf of any of the other users in your account. Choose the support contract the issue is connected with. Choose the problem type that most closely fits your query. Give the case a logical subject header. Now give as much detail as possible about the issue you are having. For instance, is there an error code? What actions were you undertaking? Are all users getting the same issue? Finally, add any supporting images and rename them if required. Once you are happy with the content, click the Submit button and send it to our team. On success, you will be redirected to the Support Cases list page where you can now see your new case. Once one of our team responds, the case's status will change to indicate this. You will also be notified by email of any status update. Navigate to the response by clicking on the case number. Scroll down to the message system. You will see the person who has responded and their message. If your issue is solved, you can close the case. If not, continue the conversation using the existing tools within the page. Jumping back to the Support Cases list page, you will now see the status has changed to closed. Thank you.